A month spent in the anxious shadow of failure. I'm glad that exams are finally over and I can get a good night's sleep. Without dreaming of historical dates, maths equations, and how to conjugate a French verb. But now I'm stressing again. What else could I have written? What if I messed up that last maths question? And worse, what comes next? Work? University? Maybe I'll have to move away. Will I enjoy it? Will I be good enough? Or will there just be more worries? My friends say they can't sleep either. I sometimes feel like it's my problem, and mine alone. But I know there's someone who's always on my side. I know there are people I can contact for information and advice. It's hard, but I can't let one exam define me. Yes, exam results can help me achieve my goals, but it's not the only way to get me where I want to be. For now, I can enjoy one long hot summer and spend some time discovering myself. What makes me, me.